Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.